Hi, I'm Chris Johnson from Work Visa Lawyers. We are a multicultural immigration law firm based in South Australia. This channel is mainly about giving you tips in relation to Australian visas. For more details, please follow our website link in the description and explore your best visa options. If you'd like to help us to help you, please hit subscribe and hit the bell to get notified of our news videos. Welcome to this comprehensive guide on the 189 visa in Australia. In this video, we'll be discussing everything you need to know about the visa, from eligibility criteria to the application process and beyond. The 189 visa is highly sought after by those who are looking to migrate to Australia and make it their permanent home. That is because it's the most popular permanent residency pathway in Australia. Before we get into the details on the 189 visa, everyone should have noticed the current trend in terms of the 189 visa. There has been a record-breaking 189 invitation round with 35,000 invitations in just 1 month, the month of December 2022. The 189 visa has been ignored during the pandemic. Lots of skilled migrants didn't even have the intention to apply for a 189 visa because it was moving so slow. This was due to the high points requirements and the invitations being super slow. However, the new government has a preference for PR visas and there are severe skill shortages in Australia. The 189 visa is back. Let's look in more detail at the 189 visa. This is a purely points-based visa that does not require sponsorship and gives you a direct PR grant. For other skilled visas, like the 190, the 491, or the 482, you will need a state, employer, or even a family member to sponsor you. The 189 is the most popular program for migrants onshore and offshore, which do not specifically require work experience or a high English score. You can bring your family along and there's no restriction on the location of where you work and live. Let's start by discussing the eligibility criteria for the 189 visa. To be eligible for this visa, you must be under the age of 45. You must also have a relevant skills assessment for an eligible occupation. Your occupation must be on the medium and long-term strategic skills list. Popular occupations are in accounting, health, teaching, ICT, STEM majors, and some trades such as chef and carpenter. English language proficiency is required to be at the level of competent. This is 6 in the IELTS or all 50 in the PTE. Finally, you must meet the health and character requirements, which include a police check and medical examination. The 189 visa is assessed based on the points system. The points are awarded for various factors, including age, education, work experience, and English language proficiency. To be eligible for this visa, you must score a minimum of 65 points on the assessment. However, it's worth noting the actual points required for this visa grant may vary. The department normally picks the highest scores in the pool for the invitation. Please watch our video link above on how to maximise your PR points in Australia. The invitation process. There are many factors that could influence the process outside of points. This could include the demand for the occupation at the time, the occupational ceiling set by the government, the lodgement date of the visa application. This is why there's a huge variation in invitations from 1 month to the next. So you meet the eligibility criteria and you've scored enough points. What's next? The next step is to submit an expression of interest through the Department of Home Affairs Skills Select portal. Many people mess up the expression of interest step. Errors can include claiming too many points and having your skills assessment or English expire whilst you've got an expression of interest in. We suggest maximising your points but being accurate and looking at previous invitation rounds to work out where the points requirements might fall. Once you receive an invitation to apply, you will have 60 days to submit a complete visa application. The application must include the required documents such as your skills assessment, English language requirements, and police check. It's also important to provide a detailed and accurate application, as any mistakes or omissions can result in delay or even a refusal of your visa. It's important to note that the processing time for a 189 visa application can vary. Currently, the average processing time is around 6 to 12 months, but this can change at any time. In terms of the costs, there's fees associated with skills assessment, visa application, medicals, and police clearances. It's important to check the most up-to-date fees and ensure you have the necessary funds before you submit an application. Of course, you may choose to get professional assistance with any stage of the 189 visa application, from skills assessment to preparing an expression of interest to lodging the visa application. So you've received the good news and your PR visa has been granted. What now? Firstly, congratulations, you are now a permanent resident of Australia. However, there are still a few more steps to take before you can fully settle in. You will need to provide your tax file number and enrol in Medicare and obtain a social security number. Once you have PR, you can consider the next step of Australian citizenship. To do this, you must meet the eligibility requirements, which include residency requirements and passing the citizenship test. To conclude, the 189 visa is a go-to option for many skilled migrants looking to permanently move to Australia. By understanding the eligibility criteria, point system, application process, time frame, costs, and post-visa grant requirements, you can give yourself the best chance of moving to Australia permanently. Thank you for watching this comprehensive guide on the 189 visa for Australia. We hope this helps you and that you find the video valuable. Please like and subscribe to our channel to support us to produce more videos for you. If you require professional help with any visa, then please do contact us here at Work Visa Lawyers.